How to fix WhatsApp not showing last seen. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix WhatsApp not showing last seen. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. First of all, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device. Once opened, tap on the settings option on the bottom right of your screen. You will be led to the settings page of WhatsApp. In here, tap on the privacy option and further tap on the last seen and online option. Here, as you can see, under the Who Can See My Last Seen tab, mine is set to nobody, which means no one will be able to see my last seen status. So, in order to change that, select either My Contacts option, or if you want to customize the people in your contact, then you can also tap on the My Contacts Accept option. Now, select the individuals accordingly. Also, if you want everyone to see your last seen status, then tap on the Everyone option, and with this, people will be able to see your last seen status. And if you are still not able to set your last seen, then close WhatsApp and launch the settings application on your device. Now, tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the WhatsApp application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. So, this is how you can fix WhatsApp not showing last seen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.